YouTube finally let me open up the stream. It was having a little bit of difficulty this morning as my bit rate is much higher than normal. Okay, as far as what I was thinking today, I'm looking at SPY. SPY went up quite high over the weekend. So from Friday until Monday, pretty much went from 311 to 316. I think there's probably going to be a slight crash early morning as the gap is really high. And we'll see what happens right there when it drops down. This would have been good if you got something into Friday, heading into Monday, but again, that would be a gamble that most people wouldn't realize would be okay. And I don't like to take risks, so that's not something I would have done. As far as what I think is going to happen is stocks like Microsoft, Apple, I think they're all going to bounce their 1 minute gravitational line before they start to resume their progress. Microsoft in particular, I've been watching this stock, and you can see it's pretty much had this double top right here, which it finally broke out of the 203, which sent it much higher. I think as far as Microsoft goes, it's probably going to try and push the 210 mark before it crashes. That'd be something I would look for, is maybe getting it on the dip, going up to 210, and then buying a 210 call. That's really going to depend on a number of factors. If the 15 minutes still continues to go down, which it looks like it probably will, probably go down let's say as far as an oscillation, it'll probably go down to, probably oscillate to 31 again on the strength momentum. That's probably going to drop it. Let's see, the last time it dropped from 208 to 206, so it'll probably drop it $2. So let's say 209, so 207. I'm going to go ahead and write this down. Market is open, so we're going to see what happens here. Alright, looks like on GSBD, my opening position is pretty high. Still in the profitability for GSBD. Probably hold on to it for just a little bit more. As far as Microsoft, opening might be closer to 207, maybe closer to Yeah, I think the opening entry is probably closer to 207. You can see on the 1 minute starting to pick up a little bit. It'll probably go up and then down, and then somewhere around 207 something. That'll be about when people start buying. All right, I'll go ahead and close the stream for now. But as far as when Microsoft makes its move, and I do open a position, I'll definitely open the stream up again, and I'll let you guys know what's going to happen.